final result. This is another video about me chatting shit about my hair. No, okay. Recently, during the quarantine, I was doing loads of stuff to my hair, and loads of different like hairstyles and blah blah blah, because I had more time, so obviously. And people were asking me on my Instagram. Oh, by the way, if you don't follow me, please follow me, Anna Stanskowski, Instagram, so you know what I'm talking about. People that were asking me how I'm doing my hair, and I think it's pretty easy. But if you don't know, I'm here for you. I'll tell you. I will give you the answers. Of course I will. So if you saw the picture, it's like very wavy hair, and it's pretty easy. I mean, my mom, she was always doing it when I was like young, and it's two braids. I think it's called French braid. I should know that. I spent 4 years in a hairdressing school. But what we're gonna need, this is gonna be very quick video, and if you can't do it, if you can't do French braid, you can always ask someone. If not, just try. I reckon close your eyes and try to do it, because looking in the mirror, it won't help. I can't even do it myself if I'm looking in the mirror, so I will try to avoid eye contact. But what we're gonna need, we need to wash our hair. Okay, and we need this. This is oh my god. This is like a hair mousse, right? So this is what we're gonna use. I only use that one because this is what I've got. I don't have any different ones. So yeah. Oh, and a little update about my nose as well, because so many people that were hating me on the internet because they were saying my hair were, oh my god, not my hair, my nose is looking horrible and it's not symmetrical, blah 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 blah. You know what, all of you who's saying that, do you think I don't have a mirror? I know my nose is not perfect yet, but it's been only 1 month when I record the first video, so you can see me now and how cute my nose is looking. And go and check my Instagram as well, so you see the pictures on my profile. It's looking good, it's looking much better, and it's been only like 4 months, so please don't be rude, because I know all of this, right? And my nose is gonna look amazing. I reckon next 3 months is gonna be perfect, and you all gonna be fucking jealous. So shut your fucking mouth. Okay, so we gonna start from the front. I will try to don't look in a mirror, because this is gonna be so fucking hard. Okay, and we've got 3 sections already, and we just do it. I'm not gonna explain how you're doing it, because I don't know how to explain it. I would show you, like, it's not a hair tutorial. I mean, it is, but yeah, it's just a French plate. That's it. If you can't do it, ask someone else. Even I'll struggle, because it's not easy to do it on your own, but lots of tutorials on the internet, like how to do a French plate, so I'm sure you'll be fine. Just look on someone else's YouTube. I'm such a lazy bitch, because I should tell you how to do it, but I'm not going to do that, because it's so much hassle, like, to put my phone somewhere on the air, you know? Oh god. You can rush sometimes those hairs, so it's gonna be easier, and then the wave's gonna be more like, you know, they're gonna be pretty. They're not gonna be like messy. And here we go. This is the end. This is the end of the first one. Yay! We're gonna do the same. We're gonna do the same with the other side. So yeah, loads of this mousse. I always use it quite a lot, because then my wavy hair gonna stay like this for days. Oh my god, I need to sneeze. Let's do it. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I said I'm gonna put my camera like up on the air, but you know what? I'm not gonna do it, sorry. You just got to look up on the internet how to do a French braid, because do you really want a Polish girl to explain you how to do it? I don't think so. I don't think you understand anything. So just want to show you the magic. And it's good because you're not gonna damage your hair. And with the heat, oh, the second one always going much better. Oh, I'm getting there. But yeah, it's like normal braid, but all you do is you just add some sections and moving forward with it. Left, right, and this is it. Oh, look at him. So cute. Yeah, I look like 12, I know, but I kind of like it. See you in 2 days. Mwah. It's the day when we're gonna do the final reveal. So yeah, enjoy. It's gonna be fun. Okay, let's do it. I think like I should sit down, but fuck that. So I will try to do it super quick, so I don't have to edit my video. People they're saying they love it. They love when I do my braids. I always do it on Instagram, and they ask me, oh God, I love my followers, they ask me to do it on a YouTube so they can keep watching it, like watch every day. I hope so. They're gonna watch me every day, definitely, and watch me how I'm doing my braids. And what I was saying on the one of my video, when I was undoing my French braids, I said my mom, she used to do it for me. She used to do like French braids and once a week, because when you were a kid you didn't really wash your hair more often than once a week, right? I mean, nothing changed. I still wash my hair once a week. So I think it's pretty cool. It's easier now because I've got bleached hair, so it's easier to make them curly or give them any not natural shape, because my hair are not naturally straight. So oh my god, that looks so good. I hope you guys doing well on a quarantine. I hope so. I'm doing amazing. I just found out yesterday I've got extra 2 weeks of a holiday, so I'm pretty happy. Okay, I think this is it. This is it without doing anything. But of course we're not gonna leave it like that, right? I'm gonna do is put my fingers through and like kind of, I don't know what's that, but kind of scratch my head. Is it? I'm Polish, so forgive me if I'm like, if you don't understand, because I'm like, you know what I'm saying? I mean, you don't know what I'm saying, but it's okay. I'm gonna do something like that. I saw it on a TV. And oh, they it looks so cool. What do you think, guys? I mean, now it's kind of like, but I think so far it's looking fucking amazing. I'm loving it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I like wavy but curly. I don't know. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it. So yeah, I hope you like it, and I like it. Look. Ooh. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh. Yeah, I think. Do you think it's a bit too extra? I think no. I like being extra. So this is my final result. Don't call my name. Fernando. Okay. No damage. Super easy. If you can't do French braids, just ask someone else to do it, and I think it's fucking amazing. I hope you liked the video. Mwah. I hope you all doing well during quarantine, and I'm sending my love to everyone who struggle with like doing, you know, doing normal stuff every day, because I know it's hard. We kind of had like busy life and then boom, but I'm sending my love to everyone, and I'm with you. If anyone needs me, please let me know if I can do anything for you. At least you can watch my Instagram, so you're gonna laugh at me. So mwah.